Hello everyone, this is me Huma and I welcome everyone to my channel. In my latest video, I would like to share with you some new tricks and tips to learn English. If you can understand my words and cannot speak, then this video is for you. And if you can speak a little while listening, that's even better. But the condition for this is that you don't skip the video to understand well. So let's get to the topic now. Tip number one, to learn English easily and quickly. Learn it with topics. Select a topic for yourself daily and note down some points. You can take any general topic, for example, health, job, books, friends. There are many topics that you can learn based on. जो भी टॉपिक आपको आसान लगे आप उनके ऊपर चंद फिक्रात लिखने की कोशिश करें. I will teach you what and how to write on these topics in videos. Tip number two is to always keep the words simple and easy because simple and easy words are always remembered by you while difficult words leave your mind. यानी हमेशा अपने अल्फाज को टॉपिक लिखते हुए आसान और सादा अल्फाज में लिखें क्योंकि आसान अल्फाज आपको याद रहते हैं जबकि डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स आपके जहन से निकल जाते हैं. Tip number three, to learn English, don't think too much that we should learn grammar first or we should speak first or practice listen. यानी इंग्लिश को सीखने के लिए आप ज़्यादा मत सोचें कि हम पहले बोलना सीखें, ग्रामर सीखें या सुनना सीखें. एंड क्योंकि इस वजह से आप फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं और आपकी ज़बान अटकती है, आप बोल नहीं सकते. And tip number four is that those who haven't seen my present tense structure, I am giving the link in description, should go and learn from there. Give yourself a week only to present, past and future and then see how easily do you speak English. सिर्फ एक हफ्ता इसको प्रेजेंट को, एक पास्ट को और एक हफ्ता आप फ्यूचर टेंस को प्रैक्टिस करें और फिर देखें कि आप कितना आसानी से और कितनी रवानी से इंग्लिश बोल सकेंगे. क्योंकि जब आपको उसके स्ट्रक्चर की समझ आ जाएगी आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इसको किस तरीके से किस ज़माने में बात हो रही है और आपने कैसे करना है, तो फिर तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली इंग्लिश बोलने लगेंगे. बिकॉज टू लर्न इंग्लिश इज़ crucial to learn tenses. Also learn to use any new word. You must try to use it in your daily sentences. And also practice speaking whatever new thing you learn and record your voice and then watch and rectify your mistakes. And don't be afraid of your mistakes because without mistakes we cannot learn. Just keep in mind that English is a language that can only be learned by speaking. Also try to listen as much as you can listen. Read your favorite books. Watch also if you like a movie or whatever you like. Watch it according to your choice. But watch in English. Hope you will improve your English by following my advice. So it's time to leave now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.